Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your hotel business. For example, you are the owner of the hotel and you want to share the offers to your multiple users at once. Sending each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a broadcast message in where at first we will create a template. After that, we will create a broadcast message, then we will schedule that message. You can also schedule your message for later as well as send instantly. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of broadcast WhatsApp message for our hotel business, let me give you a quick review about how your broadcast message will deliver to your users. So as soon as I have clicked on the send test message button, then you can see one broadcast message will automatically send to my WhatsApp business account of hotel like this, that is, welcome to Sunrise Stay. Your comfort our priority. Looking for a cozy, clean and convenient place to stay. Also provided the facilities that are available in this hotel, while also providing us one message that is now accepting booking for July and August, including two buttons, that is book now and location. So if you want to share this type of broadcast message to your multiple users at single click, then this video is definitely for you. So let's get started. At first, we have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. This is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced similar challenges like you. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. So the link to join this amazing community is in the description box below. You can check it out. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of this button, that is plus add WhatsApp number. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number or verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. The next one is the Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the Contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contact who interacted with your bot and also see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queues, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow, where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the records of the actions and events you have performed within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. As we are creating a broadcast message, so I'm clicking on this broadcast button. Here you can see this is the page where you can create a broadcast message for your different types of businesses. When you want to easily send a WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts, it is only possible with the help of broadcast. It is perfect for announcement and promotions. As we are creating a new broadcast, so I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. So this is the starting page of creating a broadcast message. For that I am going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. After that I'm going to provide the name of the broadcast that what you are creating. As we are creating a broadcast message for our hotel business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. After that, you have to select the contact list of your users that where you want to share your broadcast message. I am selecting this as all unassigned contact. You can also add multiple contacts into your Pabbly Chatflow account and select those contacts from here. After that, it will want you to select the message type while providing you two message types, that is pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also write regular message for your users as well as create a template and go with this pre-approved template message option. I already created one template before, so I am going with this where I am going to select my WhatsApp template as hotel. I created this before. Here you can see my template is selected. In this video, I'll also teach you how to create this WhatsApp template for your hotel business. For that, you have to click on this template option and go with this template list button. So this is the page where we can create multiple templates for our different types of businesses. Here I am going to click on this plus add template button. See, this is the starting point of creating our template where I am going to select the template category as marketing. Then the name of the template I'll write as hotel. After that you have to select the language. Here you can see it will provide you multiple languages. I am going to select as English. Here I select it. After that it will provide you multiple types of template, that is text, image, video, document, etc. You can also write header in this box. It is an optional, and in this template format box you have to write the format of your template. So here I am writing. Here I write it. In some space you can see I'll use this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol this message will deliver to my users in the bold format like this. Here in this section you can see the example of the message that were delivered to your users. After that, you can also write template footer in this template footer box. Then it will provide you some interactive actions, that is none, call to actions, quick replies and all. Here I am going with quick replies. Here I am providing two quick replies, that is book now and location. And now our template is completed. Here on the left hand side you can see the final look of our template. After that you have to click on the submit button. As soon as you have clicked on the submit button, after 2 or 3 minutes, you can see your template will be approved. Now we will get back to our broadcast. So here we added our WhatsApp template. After that, I am going to write the username as test user and write it one test number here. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will provide you two scheduled broadcast option, that is yes schedule for later or no send instantly. So if you schedule your broadcast message for later, then you can go with this option. As I am not scheduling this message for later, so I'll choose this no send instantly option. After that, I'm going to click on the send test message button. As soon as I have clicked on this button, then you can see it will provide us one top-up, that is test broadcast send. See, the message is sent successfully. After this, you have to click on this add broadcast button. Here our broadcast created successfully and it is live. So if you want to send this type of WhatsApp automated broadcast message to your multiple users at once, then it is only possible with the feature of broadcasts that are available in Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.